Mr. Bruno, do you have a lawyer today? What are you doing about that? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 different priors, all of them culminating from not too long ago. How many court-appointed lawyers have you had on each of those cases? Right. It's now time for you to man up and get a lawyer. Do you understand? What are you doing for a living? Okay, it's time. We're going to research your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. Your case is now 45 days old. It's getting old. We will give you another 30 days. Did you talk to anyone before you came here about this type of case and how much? Okay. You need a lawyer. When you go out to hire a lawyer, it's much like buying a car. Don't go to a Ferrari. Don't go to a Cadillac dealership if you don't have that kind of money. You go to a Toyota, you go to a Honda. It's the same thing with lawyers. Don't call someone that's going to charge you $50,000 like the Dick DeGarens. Do you understand? Not only that, but you can, I want you to listen. You can negotiate with lawyers. 99% of them will put you on a payment plan where pay a couple $100s a month. They will represent you. Don't take them at first blush. You can negotiate with them like anything in life. Do you understand? All right, get on it. Mr. Daniel, do you have a lawyer today? What are you doing about that? What are you doing about that? No, you were supposed to hire a lawyer. We gave you 30 days for you to go hire a lawyer.
I called, it was I called somebody or whatever, and that's supposed to help me out with that, and that's what I was told. So that's not true. You got to find your own lawyer.
Correct.
Okay, I did not know that.
This is your 5th case now, Mr. Daniel. You know how things go, right? Right. It's time for you to start doing the research. It's time for you to looking out for lawyers to represent you. There are a gajillion and one lawyers in Harris County. It's just finding the one that fits you, finding the one that you can afford. Do you understand?
Question, is it anywhere in specific why I like try to go find one? I've never had to hire a lawyer before.
I know. Now it's time. This is your 6th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th case. It's now time for you to go on Google or use any local newspaper and just start cold calling as many as you can. Don't just call 1 or 2. You need to call maybe 15, 20. And it's like when you go buy a car, you know, when you're starting out in life, you don't go to a Ferrari dealership. You don't go to a Porsche. You don't go to a Cadillac. You go to a Honda. You go to something reasonable. It's the same thing with lawyers. And you can negotiate with them, and for a couple $100s a month, they'll represent you. 99% will put you on a payment plan if you ask. You understand? All right, please. Mr. Parisian, do you have a lawyer today? Tell me what you're doing about that.
I've been going to school.
Sorry? How old are you? You're 36. What are you going to school for? When did you start welding school? Show me that you're in school. Prove it to me. No, I want to see a school schedule or something like that. Prove to me that you're in school and then we can talk. But given as many prizes you have, tell me, how do you eat now? How do you get money now? You what? You breed dogs. Breeding dogs can be a very lucrative business if done correctly. You can make a ton of money breeding dogs. How much money do you make a month? Mr. Prejean? How much?
3,500 to like 5.
Okay, then you need to go hire a lawyer.
I'm hiring a lawyer.
All right. We'll give you another 30 days. Okay. All right. Come on.